So guys, right now I'm with the one and only Dr. Della Toro. I hope I didn't mess it up.
Oh, you got it right.
Okay, okay, good. So tell the people who you are, what you do, and why mentorship is important.
Dr. Della Toro McNeil, peak performance expert, global convention keynote speaker, Wall Street Journal, USA Today best-selling author, 4-time repeat guest on NBC's The Today Show. Incredibly grateful to be here. 4,000 paid talks under my belt. Been full-time as a speaker for the last 20 years. Named in the top 10% of paid speakers worldwide. And I'm honored to be here. Me and Myron go back 15 years. We live about 20 minutes away from each other here in Tampa, so I'm technically a part of the family, and we've gone through the ups and downs of growth and evolution and influence together, and so I'm honored to be a part of the inner circle. I believe that mentorship there's 2 ways to get wisdom in life: mistakes or mentors. I'm gonna say that again. There's 2 ways to get wisdom in life: mistakes or mentors, right? So why not hire the right mentor to help you avoid all the costly mistakes, right? I believe if you're going to have a mentor, you want what's called a touchable mentor. Because a lot of us, man, when we talk about the conversation of mentorship, when I ask most people, who's your mentor, they name all these amazing people that are in the 0.0001% of the stratosphere. And that person might be great as someone that you aspire and you admire, but a mentor is someone you can touch. A mentor is someone who you can text and they'll text you back. Call and they'll call you back. They'll call you out on your stuff. And a mentor is sometimes a tour mentor. You just missed it. A mentor, the right mentor, is also a tour mentor because they're going to tell you things that you don't want to hear. They're gonna be sandpaper. They're going to smooth out your rough edges. And they're going to make you get better on purpose. I say this all the time. Friends love you just the way you are, but a mentor loves you too much to leave you the way you are. Friends love you just the way you are. Friends create comfort. Mentors create growth. And so a friend loves you just the way you are, but a mentor loves you too much to leave you the way you are. So you want to stay around people that force you to grow, that compel you to grow, because human beings are just like wheelbarrows. We only go as far as we're pushed.
Yo! Oh my God.
Done. It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.
It's a wrap.